Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kima, for Kimberlee the brand, darling. And today we're going to be doing 3 DIY thrift flips. Just a little background, only one of these things are from the thrift store, and that would be the basket. The lamp is from Dollar Tree, from my mom, and the shoehorn is actually from off the side of the road. But I mean, let's just put them all in the same category, okay? Now, if you're interested in seeing how I make over these 3 items, please continue to watch. I would love for you to subscribe, become a part of my team. Give me a like and a comment, and let's dive right into the video. Alright, so here's the Dollar Tree lamp. It's just a plain white shade and a white base. Here's this wooden basket that I also purchased from the Goodwill, I believe. And I love this. It's just not the right tone of wood. And here's the shoehorn that I found on the side of the road on my way home one day. Now this lamp is so plain, and I feel like that's why they made it plain, so you can do something with it yourself. IKEA does that a lot. But what I want to do is kind of add a twine element to it. I got the twine from the Dollar Tree as well, and I want to make it in the shape of this lamp. I was in the Home Goods in Marshalls, and I found this very beautiful woven covered, it ain't woven, it's like twine covered lamp. And the first thing I thought when I seen it is, we can make this. And this is what we're attempting to make today. That one is using a smaller grade of twine, so we're going to use what we can get from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start off by taking the lamp apart, the shade and the bulb that is in the inside. I don't think there's no bulb, but we're just going to take that apart, and I cleaned it and sanded a little bit off camera. But this is the Dollar Tree twine. I bought 3 of these, I believe, and we're just going to use these to cover it with some hot glue. And we're just going to dive right on into that. This was probably the quickest DIY in these 3. It probably took me 30 minutes to complete this thing by itself, and I didn't do anything to the shade because I just wanted to take my time. I really want to like find a different shade for it, but we're just going to use the base as it is. I'm cutting off the loose twine that's hanging around, and there it is. Alright, with this woven basket, the first thing I'm doing is I'm taping off the handles because I want to paint them a bright tan color. I'm using the satin one by Rust-Oleum, and they are painted, and I did make a little mess and get some of the paint on the basket, but I don't think that's a big deal. And I'm taking that same twine and I'm wrapping it around the handle very tightly. And one thing that I will give you some advice on is you don't necessarily have to glue each time you wrap. You can wrap like 2 or 3 times and then glue, 2 or 3 times and then glue, and that'll save you some glue, just as long as you're keeping it tight. That's all you really need. And I would actually use a smaller twine because now the handles aren't as mobile as they were when I first bought the piece, but it is what it is. The paint that I'm using is a Valspar paint, and it's mixed with Doe Eyes by Sherwin-Williams. That color combination is throughout my whole house. Now I did go in with this black matte paint and spray 3 pieces of the twine that I'm later going to wrap around the basket to give it some type of detail, to also break up that line from that paint. And the same thing that I say about the twine going around the handle, you don't want to use so much glue because you'll end up trying to get all those pieces of flyaway glue off later. So just use the least amount of glue as you can. Now it's time to work on the shoehorn. The first thing I'm going to do is take it apart, and I'm going to flick off some of the old peeling paint so we can get a smoother base. I'm going to use the same spray paint that I used on that basket as a base for my faux wood grain on the bottom of the shoe horn. I cover it with doe eyes, and I mixed a little bit of this acrylic paint from Dollar General just to give it a darker feel. I'm just doing the faux wood finish that I do all the time. I have plenty of videos on this, so please check out my channel and subscribe while you're there. I tried to take off these little stoppers that stop the rats from dropping, but I didn't have a tool that was big enough or small enough to fit in. You can see I tried so many of them. Oh my god! Oh my god. I totally forgot that there's another one that I took off that needs to be sprayed. Ugh. Alright, when that dry, I'm going to go in with this Kryolan Color Mask and Clear, Gloss Crystal Clear, and I'm going to spray the whole thing down, but I'm going to put it on the pedestal first. Now I've done with all three of these projects. Let me show you the befores and the afters. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you also like this video for me, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Alright guys, so we have came to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed these 3 thrifted DIY flips. We have this beautiful basket that was really going through until I went back and added this extra piece of twine. You didn't see me do that, you just see me add the black, but I didn't think that was enough, so I added more twine on top and bottom. I love this so much. This is so pretty. This is probably going to go in my kitchen. We can't forget about the shoehorn, which I'm actually probably going to sell because I don't need it. I have shoe shelves. I think it looks so modern with this wood and black combination. I got it for free outside the road, so please make sure you like the video if you enjoyed it so far. Please also leave me a comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye. Hey, baby girl. What's going on? Say hey to the people. Say hey. Hey.